Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this project. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a can of compressed air. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Start by unplugging the Mingo Dyson HS05 to ensure your safety. Remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and empty it. Cleaning the canister is essential, but today we will focus on the internal components. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel of the vacuum. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. There are typically 4 screws, so double check that all are removed before proceeding. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back panel off. Be careful not to damage any internal wires or components. This access allows you to see the motor and the filtration system. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can get professional help without leaving your house. Now, take your soft brush and carefully clean the motor area. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting performance. Use the compressed air to blow out any stubborn dust particles. Make sure to do this in a well-ventilated area. Next, focus on the filters. Locate the filter compartment and remove the filters. Rinse them under warm water but avoid using any detergents. Allow them to dry completely before reinserting them. A clean filter is crucial for optimal suction power. While waiting for the filters to dry, take the microfiber cloth and wipe down the interior surfaces of the vacuum. This helps remove any lingering dust and keeps the vacuum looking clean. If you find that your vacuum is still not performing well after cleaning, we can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to identify any underlying issues. After the filters have dried, reinsert them securely back into the compartment. Make sure they fit snugly to prevent any air leaks that could reduce suction efficiency. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them sufficiently but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the panel. Finally, plug the vacuum back in and give it a test run. Ensure that everything is functioning smoothly and listen for any unusual sounds. If something seems off, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions about any necessary fixes. With these steps, your Mingo Dyson HS05 should be clean and running optimally. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your vacuum, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.